Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about how to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets to install. Hello guys, to install Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets, you can follow these steps. Create a DigitalOcean account. If you do not already have a DigitalOcean account, you can create one for free. Create a DigitalOcean droplet. A droplet is a virtual machine that you can use to deploy and run applications on DigitalOcean. To create a droplet, go to the DigitalOcean Droplets page and click to create droplet button. Select the droplet size and region that you want. Install the Jelastic platform as a service. Click app. DigitalOcean offers a one-click app for Jelastic platform as a service. To install the one-click app, go to the DigitalOcean marketplace and search for Jelastic platform as a service. Start the Jelastic platform as a service installations. Once you are connected to the droplet, run the following command to start the Jelastic platform as a service installations. Sudo Jelastic installer start. Complete the Jelastic platform as a service installations. The Jelastic platform as a service installation will take a few minutes to complete. Once the installations is complete, you will be promoted to enter a system's user email and domain name for your platform. Access the Jelastic platform as a service dashboard. Once the installations is completed, you can access the Jelastic platform as a service by opening a web browser and navigating to the following URL. You can start deploying and manage applications on your Jelastic platform as a service platform. Additional tips for installing Jelastic platform as a service on DigitalOcean Droplets. Choose the right droplet size. When choosing a droplet size for your Jelastic platform as a service, you need to consider the number of applications that you plan to deploy and the resource that you will require. Jelastic platform as a service recommended using a droplet with at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPUs. Use a private cloud for security reasons. It is recommended to deploy your Jelastic platform as a service platform on a private network